guys, so I was just drawing at Ibis Paint when I suddenly found this. I'm going to green screen right now. And if you don't like green screens, I will give you a time to scroll, okay? And 1, 2, 3. They probably scrolled now. Let's go. So, here's the picture. Look up here. Look up here. See? You see that? It's invisible. Literally invisible. So, when you go to the barrier or something like that, this gray thing, and if you want to like color the background, like destroy it, the code is BF there. And literally, if you do that, it's going to be invisible. If it doesn't work for you, I just hack it.